people! Welcome to Real Life Talk Show! Show where we share our loves, spill the tea, and perhaps just possibly help you understand this thing called everyday life.
Everyday life!
Have you ever felt so down like you have given everything you have until there's nothing left for yourself? Through all ups and downs, you reach a point where you just don't know what to do anymore. And you keep showing up, giving, loving, but deep inside, you are running on empty. And you start asking yourself, how do I go from here? Who do I turn to? And what if this time you choose yourself first? Hi, I'm Charlene with Tristisa and Alfred, your gracious host for today.
So, today, we will be talking about our daily life and the little moments we have overlooked, the challenge, and the experience that we make every day worth remembering.
Grab your tea or coffee because you are about to have an open and encouraging conversation that might completely arrange your perspective. But before that, how's life, my friend? Oh, you know, still surviving and keep growing.
Same here, but no matter how tight, we have got to be ready for the cheetahs, right?
Exactly. And to everyone watching live today and those here with us, welcome to our talk show where it's full of laughter, knowledge, and most of all, the gossip. Of course, we're expecting an amazing guest today because without the cheat and charming stars, there's no gossip for you.
So give it up. Let's welcome our guests, Alexa, Rhea, Pat, and John.
And here they are, ready to share their stories with us. So what are you waiting for? Let's get funky and take your seats. First, let's check who are they and see how are they feeling today. Start with this Gordon.
Hi, my name is Alexa and my feelings right now is happy. Hi, I'm Ryan Villaros and my feeling right now is comfortable.
Hi, I'm Hidayat Ababang and I am fine.
Hi, I'm CB Villaros, and my feelings is happy. So, to make things more exciting, we have prepared sound asking for that. You can answer them and share whatever comes to your mind.
You first. What words would you like to learn?
Because it's personal. I want to respect my
Happy right now also because it's a rainy day and malamig, diba?
My feeling right now is satisfied on everything what I have. The food that I eat every day and the family I have. And my feeling right now is happy also. Na-invite ako na ito sa and nakakilala ka ng mga kaibigan.
Next question. What keeps you going while life gets hard?
As of my family, I always support me, stay by my side, and I'm grateful.
How about
Mga kaibigan ko po na support ko sa akin namin ang
my family also kasi gusto ko silang mabigyan ng better life and gusto ko makabawi sa mga ginawa nila sa akin. My family and friends kasi lagi sa amin dahil para support ko.
It seems like puro friends and family ang sagot ng ating mga guests. So, last question for our guests. Biggest lesson you have learned this year? Give us.
Ang biggest lesson sa maging grateful sa mga effort na natanggap and be thankful kasi
Correct.
Sa akin naman, yung masatisfy ka kung ano yung meron ka kasi hahanap-hanapin mo din sila sa mga past mo ay sa mga future ganon. So, yeah.
Ako naman, ano lang, simple lang, patient and self. Yes.
Mahal din naman.
Sa akin naman ay lagi akong pasalamat. Kapag hindi man ito sinaki or lawak ng ating life review. Malaki po yung ating natin. Napaka-wonderful naman na answer na atin.
Ano naman,
Nakamotivate siya.
And we also prepared some questions outside for random people. And of course, we will be hearing their thoughts and opinions.
So, I'm going to interview random people and let's ask them one word to describe their current life. Can I ask you a question?
Sorry, again?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure.
So, one word to describe your current life.
I think my current life is a game. I think it's a game.
Oh, why?
Because my life it's not easy, not medium, it's hard.
Oh. So, let's ask another person. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
One word to describe your current life.
Confident.
Why?
Ano ba nasabing confident? Kasi nga, sa salitang confident, gwapo ako eh. Kaya,
So, let's ask another question to the first person.
What keeps me going when my life is hard? Of course, my family. Why? Kasi sila yung nandyan yung mga panahon na nahihirapan ako at patuloy pa rin nila ako sinusuportahan sa mga gusto ko.
So, let's ask second person. So, what keeps you going when life gets hard?
when life gets hard, food.
Why?
Kasi kahit malungkot ako, kumakain na lang ako para mawala yung lungkot ko.
Thank you.
Diba?
So we're here right now at UP Diliman to ask some strangers some questions regarding his or her current life. Without further ado, let's go. Question number 1. One word to describe your current life.
It's eager.
Either. Why?
Because I want to achieve my goals and to be successful in life.
Number 2. What keeps you going when life gets hard?
When I think about my family's hard work and sacrifices and to my lovely family, it gives me emotional support as well.
That's a very good answer. Question. What is the biggest lesson you have learned this year?
It was to take the risk and do it scared. Don't let them noise and judgment. Just think about yourself who supports you and your dreams.
That's a very cliche answer. So that's all, and thank you for Miss Andrea, yes, for participating our stranger ask questions thingy. So back to the studio.
Wow, they are truly inspiring, and yet it's sad to think that almost all of us have been through this, but we never give up. You're right. We keep moving forward, we learn, and we grow stronger. And see, here we are today, still standing and still fighting.
That's why it's never too late. You guys are not alone. Through challenge, we improve ourselves. We learn to become stronger and more loving. Not only towards others, but also towards ourselves.
Exactly. And thanks to our guest today for your honest and genuine answers. We truly appreciate it, and you guys are opening up and sharing a piece of your life with us. And for our audience, we hope you learned something. Not just because we love to spill some tea, but because we should be applying to ourselves the things we need to improve on, and that's it.
This is a real life talk show, a show where we share our love, fealty, and perhaps this possibly help you understand this thing called everyday life.
Everyday life!